Hey! Sand dunes. Dito sa bag. Put it in my bag. In my bag here. There are a lot of seagulls. Look.
Okay, wow, now she's scared. Wow.
That's good that she was scared in seagulls. Hey, we are in Indiana Jones. That ayun ay Chicago. Papunta na ng Chicago yan. Mga 5 hours through drive from Louisville. Yeah. So, umalis kami sa bahay ng 4 o'clock. Dumating kami rito mga 8:30. So, 5:30 drive. Let's go. You're afraid of seagulls? Let's go. Come on. Oh.
Okay,
Malamig pa rin. Kaya kailangan mo maka-jacket pa. Lamig. Yung aking kasama takot sa seagulls. Oh. Alright. Thank you, Lord. Let's go. Ayan na, Han. Let's.